Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ray. Check it out, guys. Got another how-to product review. Maybe not so much of a review, but it's just a how-to. Guys, as you know, if you've been following my channel, I got a whole playlist for my new toy, my little Tonka truck. I have the Ford 2020 Ford Tremor, all right, with the Godzilla engine. So, guys, what we're gonna just bling up the truck a little bit, all right? As you know, if you buy these trucks, guys, and you've been researching, on the side, there's no badging other than the model. I have an F350. The other ones will be F250, 450, 150, etc. Other than if it's a diesel, you have that little badging on the door. With the 7.3 Godzilla engine, there's no badging as far as what type of engine you have. So I picked this little tip up from my favorite forum that I'm a member of. It's the Ford Tremor forum. It's all about the Tremor and what guys are doing and how we're customizing it. And I pretty much saw this on another person's truck, so I'm pretty much biting what he has. And again, that's what we do, all right? So not many Tremors out there. They don't come with badging, and just something that I like on his truck, and I'm gonna add it to my truck. So again, if you guys are interested in doing the same thing, I just want to do a quick video, show you exactly what it is. It's a simple plastic badging, as you can see, gloss to it, matte finish around it. And the back of it, it just shows a 3M tape. Very easy, guys. So if you don't like it, you always can take it off later. It's not going to harm the truck, what have you. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to go out to the truck. I'm going to show you how I'm installing it. And that's pretty much it, guys. All right, please. If you like this, please consider like, subscribe. If you're into the Ford Tremors or pickup or what have you, I got a special playlist. I'll put it someplace in this video. Check out that playlist of all the customization I'm doing to my truck. Please like, subscribe, and let's get into the video. All right, guys, as you can see, what we're going to do, got my badge here now. What I suggest you guys, have some scotch tape so you can figure out before you try to put this on. Use some scotch tape to get it lined up exactly where you want it. All right, also get you a bottle of alcohol so you can clean the location. And I hope you can see this, it's not blowing it out. And also make sure you have some microfiber cloth so you can clean that location. And that's pretty much it right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find out the location where I'm going to set this up. And once I get it dialed in on this side, I'm just going to take measurements and just repeat it on the other side. All right, so let's continue on with this. I just want to make sure, get all, wherever you're going to put it, just get all the wax off. Use the alcohol. Right now I'm just wiping it down. I'm not gonna really start it yet because I haven't decided where I'm gonna put it. So I'm just gonna pretty much line it up first. The idea, at least how I'm looking at it, I'm looking at these two gaps here, this little gap here, and trying to keep it pretty much symmetrical in the middle. At the same time, I'm looking at my headlights, and there's an edge right up there, and I think I'm probably going to try to line it up with that edge here to keep it almost looking factory, if that makes sense. All right, what I'm doing, I'm just going to put a little tape up here temporarily just to see if I like it there. Sorry guys, and also I want to also have you a little small level. All right, so again, alcohol, tape, microfiber, and a leveler. All right, that's to start on one side. Then after that, then you're gonna have to get a little tape measure so you can measure the distance so you can do it on the other side. All right, so let me continue to get this done. All right guys, let me show you what I'm doing. All right, disregard the leveler because I forgot I'm on the slope and you're not going to be level, plus my truck is not leveled either, so you're not going to be able to use that. So what I end up doing, I end up bringing out my little laser. All right, and what I'm doing, I don't know if you can tell, I'm trying to line up my medallion to this right here. Come straight down, stay level with that. Maybe I'm getting a little anal with it, but that's how I'm doing it. It's spot on. And I'm gonna put it on this little right here, this little lift right here, because I found by lifting it up, the sun will hit it. You can see it, you can really see it opposing, bringing it up here, going flat. So that's how I'm gonna do it. All right. So again, this is how, just a little tip if you're interested on doing this type of modification, I guess. All right. And again, I'm using just tape to get a location. It's pretty much gonna be in the middle right here. And that's pretty much it, guys. All right, so let me continue on with this and get it done. All right, guys, got the whole location cleaned up with the alcohol. I got my leveler right here so I can line it up. It's put me pretty much where I want to be. All right, guys, so just gonna take the plastic off. And gonna line up that with this. I think that my truck is not leveled. I'll go with that. All right, keep it pretty much right there. See how that looks. Before I push it on. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. It's very easy to do, but being anal, you just want to make sure it's perfect. That's why I'm using a laser, just to get it lined up exactly where I want it. All right. So, guys, again, if this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll check you out on the next one. Later.